Hello, this is Johnson from Moldex3D. I'm an engineer of EMEA team. Today I'm going to be presenting some of the tips in Moldex3D 2022. Today presentation will be more focused on the tips or the application or the feature from our new Studio 2022. So we will not probably know dive really deep about the result exploration, but we'll be more focused on the tool using. So here's today's online. Today's online will include, but first I will start with some of the enhancement for the measuring tool feature. Also some updates and enhancement for the particle tracer results, and the melt front time result exploration, and then the application of using probes, and some general plotting result exploration as well. I have split it to two pieces. The first one will be how are you going to do some of the application you can do or the feature you can do to having a better results visualization in the general plot, and also XY plot as well. Later I will do how are you going to do the temperature results exploration specifically for cooling results and the mold-based temperature as well. Lastly, I will conclude it, end it with introducing some of the customized feature in Studio 2022, which includes the results and the view angle, coordinate system, and lastly, the logo that you can put in your results pages. So let's start with the measuring tool. So up to Studio 2021, when you want to know a certain value throughout a part at certain point, at certain location, you will use a probe or many probes. And in Studio 2022, we have a few feature. We have a new feature called the measuring phase, which can measure a result on a section of area that you're interested in. Here are some of the applications that we can do from the feature. So such as measuring the flow rate of each runner or using the explode the result on the area of interest. As you can see on the right, now we were able to explore the warpage results focused on a certain part of the model. And the measuring phase result can also be applied into the XY plot as well. And let's do a quick demo.